0739. That's the track. I have captured the being with dots and lines. I have captured the being with dots and lines. I am becoming knowingness. The more I pull, the more I get. I caught the being in my hand. It has no end. The more I pull, the more I get. It is unwinding. I have captured the being with dots
Alright,
and
let's
lines.
get a hand to the pet parade, everybody!
I pulled one end and I got more, and more and more. There is no end. The possibilities are manifold. The more I pull, the more I get. I caught the being in my head, in dots and lines, in moves, swirls, spirals, twists, jumps, bounces, swings, back and forth, and up and down. It is soft and puffy. It has a mass. I feel its weight. I feel its touch. It floats and bounces and hovers and flutters like a speck of dust. It recoils and curls at last. It has a circular shape in dots and lines. For eyes, 2 dots. For the nose, a curve. For the mouth, a line. For the ear, a ring. A mandala for trains. In the flat, plain surface of the paper, the story began with dots and lines. Dot, 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 and more. Dot, dots, straight up to the night. Becomes a line. Dot is a line. Line is a dot. Where did it originate? Somewhere in there. It is from there. It's not from here. It comes to here. It is from there. I have caught the being in my heart and mind. In dots and lines speaks to me of what I ought to know, uncover and discover the hidden codes of dots and lines, combination and permutations. The possibilities of dots and lines are infinitely manifold. I caught the being in my heart, mind and soul. It speaks to me in feelings, in gestures, attitudes, moods. A message tag of magic codes, in resonance, repetition, perception, timing, duration and hope. Of a story that is in stories. What it is and what it can become, the cosmic man and woman knowledge personified. More I pull, the more I get. I have captured the 3 and 1. 3 are mine. I create again and again. The more I pull, the more I get. Becoming knowingness from infinity to a point, from point to infinity, from point to infinity, from point to infinity.
We don't have that one this year. We have the Lady Gaga
I'm
category.
becoming knowingness.
I noticed that there weren't any meat suits, so that's very good. Thanks for not wearing any meat suits.
I have captured the being with dots and lines. I'm becoming knowingness. The more I pull, the more I get. I caught the being in my hand. It has no end. The more I pull, the more I get. It is unwinding. I have captured the being with dots and lines. I pull one end and I got more and more and more. There is no end. The possibilities are untold. The more I pull, the more I get. Being in my head in dots and lines. It moves, swirls, spirals, twists, jumps, bounces, swings, back and forth and up and down. It's soft and puffy. It has some mass. I feel its weight. I feel its touch. It floats and bounces and hovers and flutters like a speck of dust. It recoils and curls at last. It's a circular shape in dots and lines. For eyes two dots, for nose a curve, for the mouth a line, for the ear a ring, and mandala for trance. In the flat plain surface of the paper, the story began with dots and lines. Dot, 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 and more. Dot, 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 straight up to the 9. Becomes a line. Dot is a line is a dot. Where did it originate? Somewhere in there. It is from there. It's not from here.